Hello friends, today I am going to talk on the skin lesions. Basically, dermatology is a very volatile branch of medicine. Visual diagnosis have its own importance in the dermatology, and more patient you see, more and more you become the perfect in the diagnosis. Just I want to share with you the magic of skin lesions. Basically, in many skin conditions, the skin lesions look similar, but the diagnosis is different. So when you see the skin lesions, they all appears in a similar way, but the diagnosis changes from lesion to lesion. So I want to share some of few examples of the skin lesions. For example, you take the example of water-filled lesions. Those lesions which are water-filled, this type of water-filled lesions you may see in the chickenpox. This type of water-filled lesions you may see in the herpes zoster. This type of water-filled lesions you also see in the pemphigus vulgaris. This type of water-filled lesions you may see in the bullous scabies. So the lesions are similar, water-filled, but they are in different diseases. They have different presentations. So this is the magic of the skin lesions. Another example I want to share with you about the eczematous lesion of the skin. You can see the eczematous lesion of the skin just like plaques in tinea infection. You can see similar type of eczematous lesion in psoriasis, in any type of dermatitis. Again, the lesion looks same, but the diagnosis is different. Again, I want to share you regarding black lesions or pigmented lesions. Many times if you look at the lesions are pigmented and black, but this black or pigmented lesions you may see in the melasma, you may see in the post-acne hyperpigmentation, you may see in the PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, you may see in the PMLE, polymorphic light eruption. So again, the lesions are look same, but the diagnosis is different. Again, I want to share one more example with you regarding the hypopigmented or white lesions. This hypopigmented or white lesions you may see in the vitiligo, which is the commonest condition. Such type of lesions also we can see in the leprosy. These lesions can also be seen in the pityriasis versicolor. It is a fungal infection. These lesions also can be seen in the pityriasis alba and also in the PMLE. So by this video, I just want to share with you skin lesions looks in a similar way, but the diagnoses are different. So until and unless you have more and more practice of looking skin lesions and then associated site, extent and history of the skin lesion, then it becomes easier for you for the diagnosis of the skin lesion. This is the magic of skin lesions.